Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. So we'll go over some of the price action from yesterday, discuss what sort of happened, and we'll have a look and see what we can sort of might be coming out through today. First of all, as usual, we'll start off with the economic calendar here. We can see here we do have CPI news coming out in the US. We do have red GBP news as well. So obviously that'll affect all the pairs that we're looking at trading here today. So yeah, depending on how you trade and where you leverage your risk, whether you trade on red news days or not is completely up to you. But it's something obviously to be aware of. So looking at the 4-hour chart here, basically as we saw yesterday, we'd had this pull down, pull back up. We've nipped into this origin block here. And obviously yesterday we just continued to drop, okay? So we were anticipating on the 15-minute chart that we may see this pull back up into that area before coming back down. It obviously just London open and it just dropped a bit and obviously has consolidated since. It's been stuck in a pretty tight range. So when it's range bound like this, it can be a little bit hard to decipher which way it is going to go. Obviously, it has still maintained its 15-minute bullish price action. So you have this big takeoff, and this is all just a pullback at the moment. It is yet to break this level. Whether it breaks it here at the end of the Asian session, we will wait and see. But obviously, for the time being, obviously we're waiting for a. Let's go back to candles. Obviously, 4-hour here, we are still bearish. So we're waiting for that 15-minute to break that low, break that previous low there, and then obviously look for some further shorts. So basically what we would like to see here is a push lower, a retest, and then break to the low side. If we were to see a break higher, we would still want to get that sweep of that low confirmation before going short. Obviously, because we could be getting something similar to this, which we may not necessarily want. But again, we could end up staying range bound here until that that 10:30 news comes through from the US, and people start making some trades based on that data that comes out. So again, 4-hour bearish, looking for the 15-minute to flip bearish. Once it breaks that structure, then obviously taking a trade from around that center line area if there's something there for us to be looking to trade. Euro USD. So Euro yesterday, we were obviously looking for this area to possibly go short and come back down into this area. But it has now, as we can see on the 15-minute chart, it has broken this previous high, internal break. Yeah, so basically as we see here, we've got this high, low, high, and then this is all internal, and then breaks down to the low side here. So basically until we break this high here, until we break this high through here, which it looks like we've just tapped, we haven't quite flipped yet, but are bullish on the 15-minute. So basically same as the Dixie at the moment. We will be looking for 4-hour, obviously very bullish as it was yesterday, and we broke down in yesterday's video. Basically what we will be looking for is a break, retest, and off it goes from there. So that's basically what we're going to be looking for here is are we going to see that break and retest happen and give us that bullish confirmation on the 15-minute and go from there. But yeah, again, remember we do have news coming up, so it could very well, we could see a very aggressive dump back down into this area that we were looking for yesterday before going long as well. So this is why I don't generally trade the red news, just because like price fluctuations can be so aggressive in these time frames and on such short short times as well. GBP USD. So GU at the moment, same thing yesterday. We were looking for a possible rejection out of this area and come down. Obviously came up, just broke that rejection area and has ultimately just sort of waddled sideways from there. So basically at the moment it has again broken this structure, but that is part of our structure high. So that has now flipped bullish and the 4 hour is bullish. So we are just looking for possible continuations here. So we see this push up, break of structure, pull back down. So again, looking at aligning with our structures, if we get a tap back down into this area down here, that could be a good area that we could see a continuation long from. As we see, we have just at the end of the Asian session there, we have wicked and taken high liquidity, comes back down into this area. We could be seeing that long scenario play out from there. Other idea would be is if it breaks high, takes out this previous high here, then we see it pull back down into here and go long. So that's basically what we'd be looking for today. Again, it could all be quite quickly invalidated with the news coming out today from the US. So we just need to be a little bit mindful of that. But anyway, happy trading, guys. Remember, manage your risk on a day like today. And I'll go over all the market structure analysis tomorrow, and we'll see what happened from today's news. Anyway, thanks for jumping on again, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.